How do I create a training manual for a pop-up drink stand? You create one by breaking the workday into clear steps, from setup to serving to closing, and writing each step in plain, simple language with pictures so any new worker can follow along without asking 100 questions. Think of your training manual like a recipe book, but instead of cooking, it's teaching someone how to run the whole stand from start to finish. Start with a checklist for setup, like turning on equipment, checking ice levels, and wiping down counters, because most new hires forget the boring stuff first. Then walk through your drink recipes with exact measurements so nobody is guessing how much syrup goes into a lemonade. One thing most people don't think about is writing a section on how to handle a rush of customers calmly, because panic during busy moments is what causes the most mistakes and wasted product. You should also include a troubleshooting page for when machines jam or run out of supplies, since that always happens on the busiest day. Add photos next to each step because pictures stick in someone's memory way faster than paragraphs of text. Finally, end with a simple closing checklist so the stand is ready to reopen the next day without any surprises. A common mistake people make is writing the manual too long and wordy, which causes new workers to skip reading it entirely, so keep every section short with simple bullet-style sentences instead. Another thing to watch for is not updating the manual when recipes or prices change, which leads to confusion and inconsistent drinks, so review it every month and make quick edits. Lastly, people forget to include customer service tips like how to handle complaints politely, and that missing piece often causes bigger problems than any drink mistake ever could. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.